In this video, we are going to talk about the CSS, Cascade, and inheritance. For example, you can see we have the HTML file, we have the headers, and now we want to add some new elements of h1, and then we try to add another h1 element, and then we can delete this one, and then we type header1 and also header2. And now if we go to the styles and then we type h1 and then we set background colors of red. Now you see the headers has red background colors, but if you duplicate this and set as gold, now you can see both headers change to the gold background color. And this is what the cascade means, is the last rule will apply on the element, and because the last rule of h1 is adding the golden background colors, so you will see the headers has golden background colors rather than red background colors. And now we go to inheritance, and what inheritance is, whenever a style applied on its parent. For example, if we go to the HTML elements, we can see there is a paragraph, and if we try to add a span and then we set this is span, now you can see this applied on the HTML file. And if we apply the blue color to the paragraph, you can see even the span do not have any style. We do not add any style on the span. It also turned blue, and this is because this is a child of the paragraph element. But we can still apply its own style by using span, and then we set the colors of red. Now you can see the color of the span is red in colors, but the others still in blue.